because you're already starting with a winning gold nugget. The third golden rule of affiliate marketing is just to copy winners, okay? Find affiliate campaigns, find top offers that work, find affiliates, ads for them, and copy, okay? This takes a bit of research. The first way to find top offers is to join a lot of affiliate networks and just look at each network's top offers, look at the top trending categories, etc. The second step is to find ads for them. Again, you can Google or search terms around that niche and look in Google, look in Bing ads, look in Facebook ads, look in all of these other areas where people advertise. Look at display advertising, look in spy tools. There's a lot of ways that you can find other affiliates' ads to copy that are running the top offers. Again, once you find an affiliate's ads that's advertising a top offer, just copy them and implement it yourself and buy ads on the same targeting, same landing page, same messaging, and you are dramatically lowering any risk that you have of losing money because you're already starting with a winning gold nugget.